Okay, Tequila Dave here. This is just a quick video on the cancel or the clear button that you get on these digital sort of Yale locks. Show what I mean. The push button locks with an actuator there. First tip I'm going to keep to the end. Second tip, and probably the most important one, is always press the clear button. This video is about the C button. When you get these locks, you normally have a load of numbers and maybe some letters, but you normally always have a clear or cancel button, which is down here. Now, that's the reason I'm doing this video, because I don't think many people have done this before. I don't know. Anyway, first off, like I said, or second off, always press the clear button. Now, it's quite difficult to, when you're first starting off, feeling what the different buttons are like, because what you're looking for is one of these buttons here is going to be a binder, but how do you know if that's a binder or that's a binder? When you're first starting off, it can be quite difficult to know what you're trying to feel for. What if the cancel button here, that's what you're trying to feel for. There's a difference between, okay, that one, there's these here. I don't know if you can see, look, see my fingers going down a lot more on these ones here than it is on the clear button here. Well, actually, I don't know what the code is for this at the moment, but I've got a feeling that that's one of the, because look, it pushes down hardly anything compared to, there we go, look. So these push down quite a lot. So first off tip, if you want to know what you're trying to feel for, put tension on the way that you're trying to pick or trying to open, and feel what the cancel button's like. Like I said, that one there, I'm going to go for that one there. So, and once you've got it, let go, press it, carry on. That's still what you're looking for. Okay, that one there feels, compare it to that one. So there we go. So that one there, I don't know if I can. I'm trying to press that one there. That one there's a lot more springy. That one there's a lot more springy. That one's not. So I reckon that one there, compare it to the others around it. That one there. Press that one. So what was that one? That one, that one. See again, this cancel, this C button is always stiff. If you're, we've got that one we've already done. That one there. See that there? That's hardly pushing anything down. It feels like that one. Feels like that one. How many numbers we've got so far? I don't know. You can set these up to 5 or 6 numbers or something like that. I'm not quite sure what's so I don't know what this is set for. That one there, I think. It feels like that one. Oh, there we go. And we've got an open. So what's that? So I can't even remember what the number was now. 1. That was 1 as well, and that's something like that. Anyway, that's a good way to go. Now, the first trick that I was going to say was before you press the cancel button, just try the lock. If someone had put in, let's see, what was that code again? I remember it was, okay, press cancel first. Got to remember my own thing. It was that one at the top. Remember that one. There's one over here, I think. And that one. I don't know. Maybe it was that. Let's give it a go anyway. Yeah, it's some. There we go. Yeah, it was. If someone had already left that code in, give it a go first. Anyway, that's all I've got to say. Basically, that cancel button. 1, always remember to press it before you start doing anything. And 2, once you start tensioning, if you can find which way to do it, then it's good. It's a good test for what you're feeling for. Anyway, thanks for watching. Decode out.